Semitracks is bringing you a new way of learning a multitude of technical semiconductor and electronics-related topics through online training, merging the functionality, availability, and ease of use from an online environment with the personal skill and expertise of industry specialists. We are proud to present this opportunity to you. To start training with Semitracks, log in to the system with your user credentials. With access to the system, users will be able to access a wealth of technical information spanning a combined 400 years of related industry experience in the form of classes, presentations, documents, videos, and more. This system will be organized into courses, specifically organizing many classes together under that course topic. Classrooms contain information on topic areas like electrical analysis, packaging, processing, and so on, with additional resources provided where possible. After the user logs into the system, they will start at the home page that will list basic information, a link for new users to explore introductory material such as this video, system requirements, and legal notices. The navigation bar on the left will display all the courses the user has access to via enrollment. Even logging in as a guest, the user will be able to see a general category list Semitracks currently has to offer. Each course will have 4 supporting links: participants, badges, competencies, and grades. Below the grades link, each course will list all related material to that course and its respective classes. At the course's starting page, there will be a course description above all the relevant links to material in the center display. Every course will have at least one class listed in the center display, in addition to the navigation bar, and its corresponding supplemental materials below that. To launch a class from a specific course, click on the link from the main display or the navigation bar with the yellow box icon to the left of the link. This will launch the presentation. If the browser requires it, the user may be prompted to allow Flash to play the presentation. This presentation format will have a class slide navigation bar to allow the user to control the progression of the class themselves, including a seek bar at the bottom of the presentation window. Most every presentation has audio in the form of narrations, so it is recommended for the user to adjust audio settings before the presentation is initiated. Pausing and volume control can be managed from the bottom of the presentation window as well. The user can navigate through the class by selecting the numerical slide lists in the outline or presentation navigation bar, or by clicking on the Next Previous buttons in the bottom of the presentation window. For additional material, most presentations have additional tabs next to the slide menu, such as Notes, Glossary, and a search function. The Notes tab, where applicable, will contain the narration script for each class slide so the user can read along with the presentation narration. For convenience, the system will save and remember the location within a class for the user, just in case the presentation needs to be closed for any reason. Some classes contain interactive programs or tools, such as this yield estimator. Depending on the browser, the user might need to zoom in to the window, even after selecting the full screen toggle. The yield estimator uses a number of inputs to generate an estimate of the wafer yield for various products. The user can select different parameters and see the effect on the yield. Class certifications are also available for certain classes. These are accessible to the user once the corresponding requirements are complete. Quizzes, tests, viewing certain amounts of material, or a combination of such stipulations. Once this is complete, the certifications can be downloaded and printed off at any time. In addition to the support categories for each class, the primary course link will contain access to a forum for all enrolled users. This can be seen below the announcement display for the course. Beyond the course support and material, there are additional site-level features: blogs, badges, tags, search function, and the calendar. Each of these tools are available for users to access as desired. Semitracks is committed to bringing cost-effective technical training to you wherever you are. If you're already enrolled, then start the learning process. If you're not enrolled and would like more information on this system, please go to www.semitracks.com and click on Online Training.